Hi everyone, welcome back to channel. In today's video I'm going to show how to create your Docker hub account in the docker.com. Let's move on. Go with the Google and type Docker hub. You will get a first link, hub.docker.com. Click on this link. Once the website is loaded, you can see on the right top corner, click on this sign up. Here you have two options, one for the work and one for the personal. I am just selecting my personal. For actually I have account in the Gmail, and I am going to give name as a HarishNShetty. This is the username, this is permanent, and the password I'm going to give mixture of the special characters. Click on this sign up. Once you got going, I'm going to save the username and password, and I'm entering the same thing. Click on the continue. It's asking the password. Click on the continue. Once you enter the password, see, that's the simple. This is the video to create a Docker hub account in the official website. If you like this video, like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.